Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can add your family members to your YouTube TV. So if you want to add family members, you can go to the top right corner and go to settings. So on the left side, you can go to family sharing. In the family sharing, you can share your YouTube TV with your friends and family. So you can click continue to start sharing. So as you can see that I can add my family members by sending them the invitations. So if I click on here, I can add any member that I want. Then I'm going to send the invitation. It is going to tell me that invitation has been sent. You will get a confirmation email when your invitation is accepted. So the family member can accept the invitation from their email. So this is how you are going to add a family member to your YouTube TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.